too.
Alan's got him a big old bass on.
Yep.
It's been a slow day so far, but big old bass make up for a lot.
Yeah, there he is. Oh, he doesn't want to come up too bad. Oh, yeah.
I got that. Got off?
You got off.
Oh.
And he jumped that last.
Alan got him another good one on.
I don't know what it is.
Northern. It's a northern. It's taking too much line to be anything else.
Yeah.
This is a bigger one though.
Yeah.
It's the biggest one of the day.
I actually like to have my glove.
Not gonna lip them?
No.
He didn't want to cooperate, does he? Yeah, it's a pretty nice fish.
Yeah.
Definitely the biggest northern today. By a factor of about 5.
Look at that.
A nice fish, yeah. Probably 28.
Yeah. Should we measure him?
Well, you can get it, measure him if you want.
29.
29, huh? That's pretty
29
close.
inches, see?
Yeah, he's nice.
Yep.
Back he goes.
This one's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you tell what? Did you see it yet?
Looks like a walleye.
I just caught a little walleye. That's a decent walleye. Yeah, it's bigger than the one I caught. Well, we might have found them. Back to back. He's from the cities, so eaters, you know how that works.
I'll crank in.
What is it? Oh, northern, I think. Definitely a northern.
Yeah, look at see it.
Huh.
Nice big one.
He didn't fight very hard. There we go. That's more like it. Get a little.
Want me to take the camera?
I got it. I'll just run and point it. Fish 14 of the day. Ooh, look, big chew mark on him.
Yeah.
That's what we want to catch when it was eating him. He swallowed it. I'm gonna need the jaw spreaders because on a spinning rod I can do halfway decent. That's what I like. We had I had 2 nice big ones come up and look at my lure, topwater lure, different one. They wouldn't eat it. Well, one bit finally, and I missed them. But
Oh, that's a nice fish.
I know, nice old fish. Probably 17, 16.
Yeah.
Let him go. I finally found a lure that'll eat. Is that a topwater?
No, it's my mimic minnow.
Oh. Little pike.
Yep.
Well, we were just about to give up on jig fishing. We saw this pelican.
It's running now?
Yeah. We saw this pelican going along the edge here and eating fish. So I said, well, let's try it right over there where that pelican was. Biggest walleye of the trip.
Yeah.
Right up on the edge. Gee whiz, this net is too big. We got our sturgeon net. We were going to sturgeon fish today. But before we sturgeon fish, which is kind of boring, unless they're biting, try a little jigging. That's a nice one, probably 22. He got me, didn't he? Well, we'll let him go. You can turn it off. nice bass. Ooh, I go, oh man, did he jump high?
Yeah, he did.
Whew. Nice bass.
Yeah. We're going to get a photo with my cell phone so I can put them on Facebook.
If we hadn't seen that pelican eating all these fish along this bank here, we're right close to the bank, we would have been sturgeon fishing by now.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a dandy there.
Just broke that jig off.
Yep, bad knot, Mr. Knot Master. Well, it depends how much line. That looks like what, 6 pound on there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll snap. I gotta hold them up a little higher. So yeah.
15 inches.
That's bass, I saw. That's a nice bass.
Yeah, nice one.
Didn't quite as energy. Oh, well, there he goes. Good guy.
He's hiding behind the tackle box. Let's see him.
Hooked him in the bottom jaw. This little guy.
Yep.
Little guy. Ooh, yeah, nice bass.
Yep. See?
It's blind in one eye, it looks like.
No, I think that's a jig.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Come on, give us a jump. Won't jump for us.
You got your drag so loose. Yeah, I got to tighten it. There we go.
We don't really need this giganto net here.
There we go. I'll get him.
Frying pan net. That's our sturgeon net. That's all we got with us.
Hello, I'm following it. A bigger one right behind you. That's the bigger one.
I'll try.
Look at him.
I'm trying to get my bait in the water.
Right behind it. I don't know where it went.
Yeah. I got in there in time, I thought, but
Yeah, but I think he left just about the time you got there. But he was following it behind you. It was bigger than this one. You see that once in a while, you know?
yep.
Oh yeah. He's kind of reluctant to come to the boat.
Oh, oh, that was a dandy too.
It was a dandy.
Alan may get his wish. He wanted a sturgeon, and this one is taking some line, and it's a don't tighten anything up. No, just leave it. It's set okay. It's going out, right?
Right.
Yep, that's good. Keep tension on him though. We fished hours and hours and hours without a bite, and now I didn't even get my line in the water, and he's already got one on, and it's a big one. I hope he gives us a jump. That would be cool. But we got like 80-pound test outfits, and it was taking drag. It'll take you a while. I'm hoping he'll jump though. That's cool when those big boys jump. And we got our big jumbo sturgeon net, so we're good there. I Gotta get it ready though. It'll be a while, trust me. If he goes under the anchor rope, you gotta go, you know how to do that, right? You gotta push your rod in under the ropes and come out the other side, because if he gets tangled up in the rope, it'll break. As long as the drag is going out, right?
No.
Well, maybe back it off just a hair then.
I did.
Okay. You don't want to tighten it all, that's for sure. Okay.
I backed it off a little bit.
All right. But it'll be a while. If I know these guys, you get them up near the boat and then they're all ready for another round. I just hope he'll show himself. I'll get this other rod out of the way too.
There it goes.
Take and drag. This will be a big fish for sure. No dink here. Oh, look at this pig. He got wrapped up in his tail.
Up, yeah.
He got wrapped up. His tail got wrapped up.
Now he's unwrapped.
Yep. Well, we saw him anyway. That's a big fish there.
Yeah.
Big fish.
Look at.
Alan has another sturgeon on. I kept getting cleaned off by suckers, so I put a little hook on just to catch a sucker. So I guess I better go back to the big hooks. Sturgeon are biting today. I don't think this is as big though.
No, I don't either.
Unless he's just letting you drag them in for no reason. We'll find out in a second. You're getting them close.
Yeah, he's not taking as much.
Oh, shit too. He's bigger than the last one. He didn't know he was hooked.
He's taking the line. He's at least as big as the other one.
Oh, I think he's bigger. Fatter for sure. Sweet. Son.
He wants to jump.
I hope I got that jump on the video. I'm pretty sure I did. I got part of it anyway, I'm sure.
He just wants to be down. There's no getting him off the bottom.
No. This one may take a little longer.
Holy cow.
Oh, no, he's coming right up again. I can't believe you're getting him in so quick.
Look at how big he is.
He's huge. He's bigger than the last one. He's bigger than the last one.
You better move your camera so you don't lose it.
Whoa! We should have got that on camera. Might have been pointing in the right spot.
It's going to be a while before you have to net him. Look at him run the line off.
That's bigger fish, I think. Charging the boat, charging the boat.
Yes, he is.
He's charging the boat, faster, faster. He didn't know he was hooked. He just let you reel him in,
yeah.
And then all of a sudden he said, "Hey, this ain't part of my plan." Oh, watch the motors. Trying to get you in the motor.
Yeah, but look at him take the line off.
Yeah, this is more like how they fight. They don't usually let you just scoop them up like the first one. They do a lot of around the boat, in the motors. Get out of that motor. There you go. Around the motor. And
This one's much heavier.
yeah, that's the bigger one.
I'm caught. The net's caught on the boat someplace. There.
Oh, it was your line maybe.
Okay.
this is bigger round, I think. We'll tape them and weigh them and all that. Well, I've been to Courteous House long enough. This is Alan's third big old sturgeon, and the captain has a big goose egg. Well, he's coming in pretty quick though. Did you see him yet? Nah, little guy. Little guy. Little 10, 12 pounder, 14 pounder. This one will probably, you can drag right into them. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, shit! Look at them roll. Get all tangled up in the thing. Oh, you're going to have to go on the other side of me and drag them. You know what I mean?
I just caught in the gill.
Well, get them on this side. You know what I mean? Go forward in the boat once you get him on one side or the other, and he makes his mind up.
Yeah.
Just like you did on the last one. Yeah, no, he's... Oh,
he's hooked in the mouth.
He's hooked in the mouth.
Going through his gill.
I didn't get the net straightened out. Yeah, he's in there now. He ain't going nowhere.
Let me get some line out. I'm shaking so bad I can't get the floats on the
Alan offered to buy me supper after he caught that first one. Then I told him after he caught the second big one, I expect a really good supper. And that's a nice one too though.
Yeah, it is.
That's 45 probably.
Get your tape measure out and get me a pliers.
Here's the pliers. He ain't no 38 pounder, that's the last one weighed. Or was it 39?
Yeah, this one.
But this, watch out for the pickers on this one. He's not that old yet. He might have little sharp pickers.
Yeah.
You see where I'm talking about, don't you?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, no, you must still have it. You never gave it back.
What?
The tape measure, it's right there. I didn't put it away. It's right on the floor there.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, this one's turned on. Good Lord. This one's turned on. Here's the tape measure. Let me get them out of the net.